Rockford's neighborhoods showcase a mix of history and innovation, from early 20th century homes with traditional detailing to sleek, contemporary builds. For homeowners, the challenge is often finding upgrades that improve functionality while still respecting the character of their home. One of the simplest yet most impactful ways to achieve this is through a modern door installation. Today's designs not only improve energy efficiency and security but also complement Rockford's diverse architectural styles. Here's how modern doors enhance homes across the city. Craftsman and bungalow homes. Many Rockford neighborhoods feature charming craftsman-style bungalows with wide porches, overhanging eaves, and earthy tones. A modern door can highlight these details while offering contemporary performance. Stained wood or fiberglass doors mimic the warmth of traditional wood while resisting warping. Vertical glass panels add light to entryways without disrupting the craftsman aesthetic. Bold colors like forest green or deep red maintain the character while making the entrance pop. Modern installations maintain the handcrafted look of these homes while providing the benefits of durability and energy savings. Colonial and traditional homes. Rockford's traditional homes often feature symmetrical facades and classic detailing. Updating them with a modern entry door can enhance curb appeal while keeping the timeless charm intact. Paneled fiberglass or steel doors replicate classic designs with the strength of modern materials. Decorative side lights or transoms preserve symmetry while flooding interiors with natural light. Neutral finishes like black, navy, or white create a refined, polished look. This blend of old and new helps homeowners preserve their home's historic beauty while improving security and insulation. Mid-century modern homes. Some Rockford neighborhoods feature mid-century modern architecture characterized by clean lines, large windows, and minimal ornamentation. Modern doors are a natural fit for these homes. Flush, minimalist panels reflect the sleek geometry of mid-century design. Matte finishes such as gray or black create understated elegance. Horizontal glass inserts emphasize openness and connection to the outdoors. The right door can highlight mid-century character while updating it with today's materials and features. Contemporary and new builds. Rockford's newer homes often feature open layouts, mixed materials, and bold architectural statements. Modern door installations complete the look with cutting-edge style and performance. Oversized entry doors create dramatic focal points. Pivot doors provide a sleek, upscale touch. Smart lock integration combines technology with design for convenience and security. For contemporary homes, modern doors don't just complement the style, they elevate it. Energy efficiency across all styles regardless of architecture. One of the biggest advantages of modern door installation is improved energy efficiency. Rockford's climate brings both cold winters and humid summers, making insulation a priority. Foam-filled cores reduce heat transfer. Weather stripping and tight seals block drafts. Low-E glass inserts allow light without sacrificing comfort. This performance means lower utility bills, consistent indoor comfort, and doors that stand up to Rockford's weather. Adding value and curb appeal beyond performance. A new door is one of the simplest upgrades with the highest return on investment. Modern designs instantly refresh the exterior, increasing curb appeal and resale value. Whether it's the classic refinement of a colonial home or the bold lines of a contemporary build, the right door can tie the whole facade together. Final thoughts. Rockford's architectural landscape is diverse, and modern door installations provide the versatility to complement any style. From craftsman bungalows to contemporary homes, today's doors balance timeless design with modern performance. They enhance curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, and provide security, all while blending seamlessly with your home's unique character. For homeowners, investing in a modern door isn't just a functional choice, it's a design statement that respects the past while embracing the future.